Replacing a garage door may seem simple, but it can be a risky and challenging endeavor. Many homeowners in Dallas think about DIY garage door replacements to save time and money on labor. This task requires specialized tools, technical precision, and crucial safety knowledge to do it right. Removing the old door entails detaching springs and cables, often needing at least 2 people for safety. Mishandling torsion springs can lead to severe injuries. They hold immense tension and require expert care. Though DIY seems appealing, heavy lifting and the complexity of mechanisms complicate the job considerably. Online tutorials make it appear easy, yet real-life challenges often outweigh the perceived benefits. Understanding when it's acceptable to DIY, like minor repairs, helps narrow down the complexity of the task. Professional garage door services ensure correct installations, reducing future risks and potential issues. Is replacing your garage door yourself really worth the stress? Or is a professional's help the wiser choice?